Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Snowflake? This is ticker SNOW, and I think Snowflake is ready to go here. If I zoom out on the chart, we can see a very long, choppy base of consolidation, and it looks like Snowflake is trying to break above and did it here today. If I bring out my handy dandy drawing tool, you can see that long choppy base where it really, clearly that $200 level is a big area of resistance. And the last couple of months, it kind of gave a little inclination that it was tightening up after this big, puke throughout 2022 as we have some progressively higher lows. I mean, it's not perfect, but you get the idea. You don't have to be perfect in the market. You can look at just kind of ranges because I feel like just with technical analysis being so prevalent nowadays, it's really more of a generalization as opposed to being super duper precise. And so, we can kind of see this long, drawn out, choppy base of consolidation with, some higher lows printing here and there, but that clear $200 level resistance. Today, we got a breakout of that $200 level, and we did it on higher than average volume. You can see the volume down here on that move higher. And so I definitely think snow is a go, but I will caution you, it is a bit extended. Typically, if I'm buying a stock, I like to try and buy a breakout close to these moving averages, and Snowflake is a bit extended above. So at this point, I think what you want to look for is a potential pullback to that 8-day exponential period moving average. Let that moving average kind of catch up to price a little bit, and then use that as a stop loss level on what Dan Fitzpatrick calls a phase one breakout, and then you buy the phase two pullback into support on a green day bounce. And so that's what I would look for here on Snowflake. If you missed the trade today, if you didn't, I mean, this could definitely go higher. In that case, I would want to know where my stop loss level is. And I think that 196 level is pretty key here. You can see that zone of consolidation. Couldn't get above 200, couldn't get above 200, dipped under near the 50-day, rebounded really quickly, and now we're breaking out here. So I would definitely keep Snowflake on your watch list. Even if you didn't get it today, I think it could offer some nice pullback buy opportunities. So that's what I'm looking at here with Snowflake, and I hope this video is helpful. If you want to see what else we're looking at, definitely check out StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.